I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Hello there, it's Thanksgiving Day, so I'm in the basement doing what you'd expect, eating leftover tacos and trying to make myself a little cubby to put on my desk to hold all the junk that's laying there. Let's get started. Okay, I've drawn up a little plan of what I need. You can't really see it, but I can barely make it out myself, but I got a cut list here. And as usual, I'm using what I have on hand since I don't have any of my saws nearby. So I'm using this old gate. I'm going to take it apart and use all the wood. And I should be able to just cut them to length and glue them together. So let's drill out all these rivets and salvage the wood. Okay, I got about 11 usable pieces out of it. One of them is pretty warped, I can't use this at all. All of them got holes in them. They've got 4 holes, 2 holes, 3 holes, but hopefully the parts can be cut in between the holes. If not, big deal, I'll have a hole here and there. So let's lay out the cuts and get them all cut. I'm going to have to use my jigsaw because, as I said, I don't have any saws here today. Let's get started on that now. Okay, I've got all 21 pieces cut out. So now I'm going to try to put it together and glue it together. Everything's pretty darn close. It doesn't have to look perfect. It's not going to be a centerpiece on my desk. Just going to hold all the garbage that's rolling around on it. So let's get some glue and the 2 clamps I happen to have at the house here. It sat here for 3 or 4 hours and it's nice and glued and solid, and I'm surprised that it doesn't wobble. I didn't really do a very good job or really try at all to get it to fit together good. Last part to do is to put this bottom on it, so I'm just going to set it right on top of here, center it the best I can, and then just draw it out what parts to cut off. There we go, and I'll cut that off with my jigsaw. Okay, there we go. It's not the prettiest, but it just has to function. So now we'll just glue that down and hold it with a little weight. Okay, it's been a couple hours, so we'll try to get these clamps off, see if this bottom wants to pop and break off, but I think it's going to be pretty good. So that looks pretty good. Not going to win any awards for beauty, but it doesn't need to because it's only for me to throw stuff that's laying around on my desk. It's not a family heirloom or a keepsake, just something to use. And we'll see if it works. There's my notebook. A little orange poop, keys, ring, some change, pens and pencils, and a spare pair of glasses. Seems to work. The reason I got the sides open on the pens and pencils is when my daughter or granddaughter drops this little orange poop in there, I can pull it back out without having to dump the whole thing out. So, I think it works. It's going to do its job. It doesn't take up as much space as all the junk that's laying up here now. And I'm going to be happy with it. Thanks for watching.